This is the rigid, and it's like a 4-gallon portable wet and dry vac. I needed to get a new vacuum cleaner for the car because when the car gets dirty, I can't just dry the car and the mats get dirty and all kind of dirt and stuff like that get on the car and on the mats and stuff like that. So I went and cheaped out on a $20 vacuum cleaner. It worked for like maybe a month or two, and then it just suddenly died. So I said it was time for me to not go cheap and just go all out. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up this rigid, and they go Spanky, eating apples off the tree. As you can see, you got apples that actually grow on this tree in the backyard, which is real cool, and they definitely are edible. I tasted a couple of them, and actually let me grab this one right here, and let me see. Yeah. Now Spanky wants to eat my apple because Spanky eats some too. But anyway, yeah, so I went and paid $76 for this rigid at Home Depot today. So I decided to go all out, and it's definitely have some power according to some of the reviews I read online. And then you have the specs here, and whatever language that's in. And it's a 4-gallon portable wet dry vac. Portable, exactly what I need. So I'll keep it in the garage, and when I'm ready to wash the car, I'll just pull it out of the garage and use it. Whereas I had the $20 vac, car vac, I kept it in the trunk. But for what I needed to do, this is gonna definitely work. And of course, that's my Wild Go board, and I'll make a separate video for the board. But as you can see, it has some road rash, but not from the road. Mr. Spanky here decided to knock it down the stairs, and when it came down the stairs, it actually damaged the grip tape. On some parts where it hit the stairs, it actually came off or whatever. But if I was expecting to have no damage to the board, I would never ride it like my second one that still haven't been I haven't rode that yet. But that's another video. But let's go back to this vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna open it up. I'm actually gonna wash the car today and use this to see how good this is. Actually, let me see. Let me just put it on the stand. Spanky, get out of that potted plant. He likes to dig in the potted plants and stuff. I don't know why, but that's his thing. So let me set this up, and let me open up this box. See what we got. You have a few attachments. Yeah, get down, Spank. Get down. A few attachments. Come here. Come here. Come here, Spank. Come here. And then he goes right back. Spanky, no! Oh, boy. And it's broken. Yep. The dog done broke my stand, so now that's broken. And because I'm a loving dog owner, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to have to buy me another stand. They go to piece. That broke. And there's the broken stand. If I was to tell you how many things I had to replace, because of this dog, easily thousands of dollars of damaged property from him biting, tearing things, and just what he did just now, he knocked over the stand. So now I'm gonna have to do this with one hand. So that's something else I gotta now replace. But when you buy a dog, especially a dog like this one, things you just have to deal with. But inside the box, you got this attachment here. You got this attachment. You got another attachment. So maybe these two tubes, to make it longer, attach themselves and stuff. So I'll put this to the side. Oh boy. Stop it, Spanky. Come on, give me a break. And then you got this attachment here. So you put that there. Stop. Stop. Then, let's see. Then you have this hose. You got a hose. And then, I think that's it. And then the vacuum cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the... Well, let me take the vacuum cleaner out. Right there. And then you lift it by the handle. And that's the vacuum cleaner. Alrighty. And from what I understand, this vacuum cleaner, there's no filter or whatever. It's just whatever you suck up, it goes into the well, the orange well here, and you just empty it out, which is definitely something I was looking for. I hate filters and having to buy filters and things like that. So let me put this back in the box, and I am so curious to see how strong this vacuum cleaner is. So everything's back in the box. Oh, we can get this tube, put that back in the box, and then let's test it out.